What you wanna do, boy? 'Cause I just wanna be loved. Is it me and you, boy? Tell me, am I enough? So what you wanna do, boy? 'Cause I just wanna be loved. Tell me, is it me and you?
Welcome back to my channel, and we are back with another video, another wig installment video, another wig coloring video. Have I posted a wig coloring video? Anyways, so today we're gonna be dyeing this 613. I believe this is 20 inches. It's a little cheap wig that I got on Amazon, but it's actually good. It's actually some little good hair. Don't mind her. Mind y'all business. Like, don't talk about her. You know, I'm gonna face her this way because I feel like y'all judging her. Anyways, yes, this is a company from Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. I don't think it was no more than like 120. Probably not even that much. Like I said, T-part wig. And yeah, and today I'm going to be dyeing it Adore Sunrise Orange in the color 38 and in the color 60 Truly Red. So I'm going to be dyeing this a mixture of both. I don't know how I want to dye it yet, but I'm trying something out, and either way it go, I know y'all gonna like it. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to a friend, and let your homegirl know, hey, I fuck with her. So for what I believe that all that I would need, I just got some, spray just to keep the lace, from not letting the dye bleed into the lace, if you get what I'm saying. I got some heavy duty aluminum foil, like heavy duty foil. Heavy. I got the bowl hold, of course. A wire tooth comb. I don't know what kind of hairstyle I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna need a rat tail comb, your brush. I got gloves. Go ahead and jump into the video. Back, and now we're just going to put on our gloves, and we are going to start the coloring process.
Like I said, I really don't know how I'm gonna color it, but let's see.
Like I said, I really do not know how I want this dye, but we're gonna do it. Okay.
It was like two pieces not two pieces, but the bottom layer of the wig and the layer of the track, the first layer of track. Cause they got on the very bottom of the lace, like on the wig, they got a track sewn on it. So it's that track and then the first track that actually is on the wig. That's like this close together. So that's why the aluminum foil look a little crazy. Okay, so it's orangey orange. No turning back. I'm already put on the lace. Oh yeah, that's orange. Can y'all see that? That is orange. Alright. I'm gonna do this really slowly, very carefully. Your brand Mondo fan is, he will be so mad at me. But hey, Brad. Look at me, I'm not done my hair, so technically, I did it. Okay, how many I did? The only good time I did this color, I know. I like to get it in before I, brush should do it all the way through. Okay. See, with this, I'm really gonna take my time because I kind of want it to be a certain way. Not, I don't want to say perfect, but I do want it. I want it to actually look good. Okay. Y'all not about to find me an assignment. Or repost me on Twitter or something like that. Look at her, you look at this face. You know. So I'm gonna just take my time. Like I said, I'm gonna just do this first part with you guys, because this is gonna be very tough on me. So I will come back after I got it all the way done, and we're gonna rinse it together, we're gonna do all that, and I'm gonna technically try to explain the color scheme or pattern that I got going. But I'm gonna have pictures inserted and stuff like that. But yeah, if I was to record all of this, oh yeah, we'll be here for 45 days. So yeah, let's just get to this first one. You get checked. My cat over there trying to tell the birds to come here. Look there, look there. And so ever forget to get the back side, so you gotta get the back side. Work on what we got, okay? No judgment. Let's go ahead and finish off this orange, and I'm gonna catch back up with y'all. Let's just go ahead and... Shout out to my, shout out to my little sister. This look is actually inspired by her. So, hey, look.
Okay, and this is where we are. In the front, I left, you know, blonde. I made a little mistake, but I'm gonna fix that. Don't worry about that. I got like a orange red going on. Let's see. I left some pieces blonde, so when I move and shake or whatever, you still see the orange. I left some pieces in the dye pieces like blondish, you know, just to give it that like, just a little effect look. But right now, I've been letting it sit for probably an hour, but I'm about to do a little extra touch up on some of the colors, and then we're gonna wash it and blow dry it. So, I've been using mostly the orange, so we gonna put a little more in these spots. It's like blonde still. I still wanna cover those a little bit more. Just go in. Just cover those. This part, I say just really take your time and do it. Because if you don't, it's going to look a little crazy. See? Actually, get in there.
I'm trying to see if I want to put like red orange on the tips on the front. Let's do it. Everybody just got the straight line, so let's do it. I can use the glove to actually hold it. You see? Do you see what I'm saying? And the tips. Okay. And we're going with the orange. And just do it just a little bit. Not all the way to the top, but you know, like that. It's still not permanent, so I'm just going to use my finger for the...
Boom, and we're back again. No, I did not remove the color yet, but however, we gotta get into this.
Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
Okay, so I take stockings. I don't know about y'all, but stockings seem to, you know, work.
I just feel stockings give a more sleek and softer application than the bar cap does. But don't get me wrong, I will slap a bar cap on as need be. But I happen to have these, so we're gonna do them on. Okay. Not that it is. No. Let me take care of them here, so. Okay. We got that on. We're good. Make sure all know. So I'm gonna take that even. And yeah, I got some more I'm gonna out. I've been hearing people been using the black one. I haven't tried that one yet, so I'm gonna see what I'm talking about, you know? Yeah, we just wanna get this all over the hairline first. Look at this, they just do whatever they want. I'm not gonna lie, sideburns, so I don't have the advantage that other people have when it comes to the sideburn part. Because I got very long, very thick sideburns. Like, it's crazy. So while this continues to dry, I'll go ahead and give her a good wash. So stay tuned.
Boom. Okay, so if you guys have made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this color. Please, please, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Colors on the side as well, guys. If I didn't mention yet, this is a two-part lace. So this is a wild color scheme. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous girl. You getting the color effect? You see it? You see it. Okay, okay. I see you see it. I'm going to go ahead and install this today. Oh yeah. Okay, this is what we have. We're 613, and now, look at this. I don't even know what to call this right now. I don't know what to call it at this moment, but
We are going to take this heat protectant spray, and we're going to spray it all over the wig before we blow dry. Okay. I need the product to get throughout the hair, because I hate blow drying hair while it is wet. I don't even blow dry my real hair while it's able to get the splotches out the front that was there, but I do have some that actually died on the side, but it's okay. It's okay. Like I said, this was a trial run just to see the potential colors, you know, trying colors I'm gonna be a perfectionist one day. Blow dry this and then come back. Okay, so boom, baby, y'all already know how the cap method goes. If you don't, please go watch my last videos for reference. Okay, and yes, our wig is a blow dry. Look at this color. Oh yeah, if my boyfriend thought I was a problem, he ain't saying nothing yet, so yeah. Finger through it. You can see the line in there still. Yeah, y'all got the vision. I put some heat protector on it.
And also, still be mindful, this is a two-part, but I am the goat, and I'm trying to do this. Of how thin it is, like, you don't bulge, you don't roll back, like how the bar cap did, so I recommend that cap. Last measurement, boom, on the money.
My very first blonde wig, they couldn't tell me nothing. I had everybody want to go blonde, so then I was like, it's about to be my birthday, so I'm gonna dye it purple, and that's what I did. And then after that, everybody wanted to wear colored hair on campus, but you know, I've been a trendsetter, so it wasn't nothing new to me. Let me say that. It's crazy because like 2015, 16, like my mom been doing hair. So around that time, that's when like closures and like the little circle closures for quick weaves and stuff was coming around, and she was like real heavy into that. So I used to dance. I used to be in a band. I used to be a major. I used to dance. So I decided that I didn't want to get perms anymore because my hair was so damaged, like horribly damaged. If y'all want a story time on that or hair journey on that, just let me know down below. But anyways, my hair was so damaged, and I'm like, I can't keep putting heat on my hair. And when you're a dancer, if you know, you know, you gotta change your hair every time. And 10 times out of 10, everybody on the team have to have the same hairstyle or something very similar to each other. Like you gotta look uniform. That's the thing. You gotta look uniform. So I got tired of having to, you know, burn my hair out every week, different styles and all of that. So my mom, she got me a closure. So then everybody on our dance team, we went and got closures because all of us, like I said, was tired of burning our hair out from perms and just heat in general, from blow drying, the flat iron, and curling, all that. They used to talk about us, like they used to call us wig wearing. I can't say this on the tube, but they was like really on our head about it, like really talking about us, like wigs was just very, like, we didn't even have a whole wig on. We just had closure pieces at that time. So it was like, why are you saying I got on a wig and I don't? So by senior year, like 2017, the end of it, like May, around this time, it's like prom season. So of course, I ordered me some good 8A Malaysian hair. It was it that hair? Nope, I'm lying. Let me stop lying. I had some hair from this man who sell hair in Memphis. If you know, you know Shannon. Shannon was the plug. Shannon is, probably still is. I'm not really sure what he do now, but he was the plug on hair. So I got me some. That was my first time getting some real long hair. Like, that was my very first time with hair past the middle of my back. Because when I dance, my hair used to be like at least right here. Because, you know, swinging, doing all that. You don't want to be doing all that while you're dancing. So, prom, duh, it's prom. So, yeah. I got some very, very, very long hair. I had my closure. And they thought it was a wig. It was like, it's not a wig. It's closure. And yeah, I was like, I say that to say, it's just weird how far we are in life now, because like I said, they was really clowning us because we wore closures. Like, that's still crazy to me. Like, it's still crazy to me. Powder, I got some Fit Me powder in the color mocha. It's 360 mocha. We just gonna dab that along. I don't put concealer all the time because I don't know. It's the wetness for me. I would do it if I don't have any powder, or if I just absolutely need to, or blend the powder with the concealer. But it's a hot outside, and I'm starting to get a tan. So
Yeah, so you put 2 layers of glue on there. So now we just gonna first, do I need more powder? I'm looking weird as y'all are in front of me. So don't look at that. And this is what I mean by the stocking. It's just smoother. Because baby, you will be patting for 20 days trying to blend out the concealer, foundation, powder, whatever it is, on top of the stocking cap because of the material so thick. So yes, get you a stocking cap. Real ball caps. Where do you use it? Okay, so I'm gonna come back. Oh yes.
okay.
So now we gonna take out these baby hairs so we can milk the rest of this lace, because some of it, you know, I can't get out yet. So it's not down. Not to try right there, we just gonna take out some of these baby hairs. Alright, not gonna fight today, so we're just gonna use, like I said, those ball cups. They are thicker, so I just cut off the actual hairband part and top it around. It's elastic. Way different from the neck.
Funny, okay. Got a little something going on. Like I said, hopefully my actual vision comes out the way that I need it. Don't try to tussle me, okay? Told you I was coming back, but I had to, you know, figure out a couple things. Hey, how about we just, you know, finish up this makeup a little bit together? Even though I do have to go on TikTok.
So this making basic palette, and we're gonna use the Venus, very shimmery shiny, from top in the corner. Boom, boom.
Boom. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me powder.
Let's look at what it is. How am I putting it on? Filter tape.